Make a great choice today with 2010 Sebring. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, inside you'll find cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power door locks, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.